Lost access to your MultiDoge wallet? In this video, we'll show you how to recover your Dogecoin safely and quickly. MultiDoge is a lightweight Dogecoin wallet. It's easy to use and doesn't require downloading the full blockchain. But if you've lost your password, your wallet file is corrupted, or your device crashed, recovery becomes essential. The first step is locating your wallet file. On Windows, it's in App Data under Roaming, then MultiDoge. On Mac, check Library, Application Support, MultiDoge. On Linux, it's usually in the .multidoge folder in your home directory. Next, look for backups. These could include files like saving.wallet or folders like rolling-backup. These are your best shot at restoring access. If your wallet is encrypted and you've forgotten the password, recovery is possible, but risky. Attempting it on your own could make things worse. CryptoRecovers.com offers professional recovery services for MultiDoge wallets. They use secure tools and proven methods to retrieve your Dogecoins, even in complex cases.
If you want more information, check out our blog about MultiDoge wallet recovery on our website. The link is in the description. And if you need expert help, go to CryptoRecovers.com. Don't risk your coins. Let the professionals get your Dogecoins back.